Holy smokes. This is cool.
How you guys?
Oh, good. We got our color samples, and these are the colors we're going to use on the car. We picked out.
Okay.
Now, on the interior, do you have anything in the old cloth? We kind of go in.
I've got books we can look at from the 50s and 60s and see if we can find something in that.
Hey guys, look at this. Check this out.
That's pretty close.
What do you think of that?
It's pretty close.
It's not bad. And it's in the.
Look at that. It's in a Buick section.
Buick Special. Isn't that what it is?
That's it's a Buick Special.
That's it.
55. The year is wrong, but the material matches the color. The Taschen red,
That
perfect.
looks good.
Got a burnt orange. Oh,
That's pretty nice. That's not bad.
It's not bad right there.
How's it look against that sample we got here, though?
That looks pretty good.
Put it up against that.
Wow.
Good match.
Not bad. Check it out.
So now,
Awesome.
Can we get a vinyl that's similar to this color, Dean, you think?
You wanting vinyl to be this color?
Right.
Similar, yes.
Look at that.
Where'd it go?
Almost fades into
Yeah,
it.
looks pretty good.
It's just
That's
not
it.